Hello, I'll be your tour guide for today. Hello, my name is Casey Lewis and Patuan. My grade in my section 7 Garnet. So let's start our introduction. Good day everyone. Welcome to Bolinao, Pangasinan, a first class municipality located at the western tip of Pangasinan. Bolinao is known for its beautiful beaches, waterfalls, caves, and historic landmarks, and making it one of the top tourist destinations in northern Luzon, surrounded by the sea and lush landscape. Bolinao offers a perfect mix of natural beauty, culture, and history. Bolinao has a rich and colorful past. It was once an important trading and fishing community even before the Spanish era. In the early 60s, Spanish missionaries arrived and introduced Christianity, leading to the establishment of the SEA Games. The Great Paris Church, one of the oldest church in Pangasinan. Why is it important? Why is it important? Because it showcases the natural and cultural richness of Pangasinan. Its beaches like Patar Beach, natural attractions such as Bolinao Falls. Before exploring Bolinao, here are a few important reminders. Listen to your tour guide and lifeguards for your safety. Dispose of trash properly. Maraming salamat po.